In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to add transitions to your videos in Flixier. In order to demonstrate that, we first need to add a couple of clips to our timeline. I'm just going to use 2 videos from the stock tab, but you can upload your own by clicking the import button. So, to add your transition, you'll first need to navigate to the Transitions tab on the left panel. Here you'll find more than 55 transitions that you can choose from. You can browse through all of them at once or use the top menu to separate them by category or search for something specific. Hovering over a transition will give you a quick preview of what it will look like in the final video. To add a transition to your video, just drag it down to the clip. A blue overlay will appear and you can see now that the transition has been applied. Adjusting the duration of a transition is also pretty straightforward. Just click and drag on the blue handle to extend or shorten the duration of your transition according to your needs. If you want extra precision, you can also tweak the numbers manually from the Object Inspector panel on the right. To add a transition between 2 clips, make sure the videos are on the same track, then drag the transition between the 2 clips. You'll notice that the blue preview covers both clips. This automatically integrates the transition so it blends the end of the first clip with the beginning of the second clip. This creates a smooth, seamless transition that's perfect for connecting scenes in a fluid and engaging way. If you're looking to add a little extra flair, try out the butterfly wave or glitch transitions for more dynamic scene changes. But remember, the key to effective transitions is subtlety. They should enhance the story, not distract from it. That's why you should always try to find transitions that match the scene, and with so many of them to choose from, that shouldn't be too hard. To remove a transition, select the clip, then go over to the Object Inspector menu and click the red trash icon next to the transition you want to remove. To replace a transition, simply drag a new transition from the library over the existing one. This will keep the placement and duration, but it will update the style. If you want to take your transitions to the next level, you should consider adding sound effects that complement certain transitions and scene changes. You can find thousands of free sound effects easily in the Audio tab. Just go to the Sound Effects category and use the search bar to look for the right sound. Adding these can help emphasize the action, make transitions feel smoother, or keep viewers engaged. Lastly, another tip for integrating transitions properly would be to think about them ahead of time. Shoot with transitions in mind and consider your narrative and the emotions you're trying to evoke in your audience while you edit. Transitions can help get an emotional reaction from viewers and guide them from one scene to another. Before dragging and dropping transitions on the timeline, consider the context. A glitch transition might be great in modern, action-packed or suspenseful content, but if you're trying to make a change in setting or time in a dramatic story, a simple fade might be a lot more effective. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. And if you're ready to try these techniques out on your own, head over to Flixier.com and start it today. Until next time, happy editing!